Okay. Hi, Jean.
Hi, Joan.
How are you doing today on this Labor
Absolutely
Day?
fabulous.
That's good. I'm so happy to hear that. We're here. We are on Labor Day. It's kind of a miserable day.
Laboring.
Laboring, yeah.
Not really. It's fun.
Isn't that what you're supposed to do? We're supposed to work on Labor Day.
It's fun.
It is the best kind of work that I can imagine doing. That's for sure. Working with you. But let me just introduce to everybody, because I'm going to record this and see if we can send it out to people afterwards, because you and I have had a little bit of fun this week, because I called upon your mathematical genius. You know, you all do know that Jean is a mathematical genius. Actually has a degree in mathematics, I think, right?
Okay.
So I do not.
Okay.
I do not have a degree in mathematics, and I'm terrible at mathematics. I'm lucky that we even got through university and high school because, you know, anyway, I do digress. But what happened was that I think everybody realizes that our corporate site has been upgraded and changed a little bit in many countries around the world, not just in Canada and the US, but a lot of countries. And so I was doing a little bit of wandering around and browsing through that last week. And although we did know that the company had put together some 500-point packages and some 250-point packages, etc., for us, I did not know, and Jean didn't know either, I found out, that they had put bulk packages in with a bulk product. And so you could purchase many of the same product in, you know, in a bulk order. And what I shockingly discovered was a huge savings. I know that we've put bulk orders together before and added a free product or something like that, or some sort of benefit. But to actually put it at savings like this, I had to get to Jean right away and ask her to check my math. And so, Jean, what did you find? My math wasn't so bad, was it?
It's not bad at all. Yeah. No, it's really interesting because, as you said, they're bulk of one item, or some of them have a variety of items in them, but they're still at quite a discount. And it just fits in with all the changes with the company and the social model and what we can do now with products. It changes all the time, but it's quite fun. And they're definitely setting things up for us to be really scalable. And I love that because there's a lot of companies that have really tried to go online, but they're not scalable and they're falling apart as they try to do the extra volume. And the company has been really working hard to position us to be very, very scalable.
And maybe just explain to people what you mean when we're talking about a scalable business opportunity.
The ability to grow and grow quickly.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and I remember our president at the time, Scott Schwartz, saying that we had one other huge momentum window in the 1989 to 91. Mm-hmm. And we weren't, like, the warehouses weren't quite ready. Now we're running into some out of stock items, quite a few. And that's partly because of, you know, COVID, but it's also just the growth. They did not anticipate the volumes that we would start to go through right now. And yeah, it can be a bit frustrating at times, but mostly it's just really, really exciting. And yeah, so these bulk packages have a lot of potential, and there's a lot of different ways to use them.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the reasons why Jean and I decided to record this chat today, because we've been chatting about it back and forth about different things. And each time we talk, we realize there's another permutation of how you could possibly share these products and, you know, put money in your pocket almost immediately. And so fortunately, Jean put together an Excel spreadsheet to show you the kinds of earnings and the kinds of savings that you can make. And maybe I'll pull it up. Jean, are you ready for that? I'll pull up. Yep. The spreadsheet's not quite ready to send out, but it probably will be in the next 24 hours, I would say. And we'll put it on our Gotta Love Support group for all of you to see. But we wanted to chat with you so that you would get excited to look at these things and understand how what's in it for you, because that's what we really care about, is that radio station, you know, the WIIFM. What's in it for me? And I was talking to a lady today and I said, you know what, I really do this because of the money. I mean, it is fun, but we want to make money, right? And some of you have been here since just after the last momentum had sort of stabilized out. And I think that it's an exciting thing for you to have stayed with us and have been able to build a business, but now get to participate in this with all of these extra tools that we have. So I'm really excited about it, and I'm going to just try and share my screen, and with the initial Excel spreadsheet that Jean put together. And maybe Jean, you can speak to it when I get it up there, and
Sure.
you can, hopefully you guys will be as excited as we are. Okay. So that's my Zoom call, and here is we're calling it the Salon Packages because a lot of them are actually listed on our price list and in our on our website as Salon Packages. Now, I do want to tell you that at the moment, I believe these packages, these bulk packages, are available in Canada, available in the United States, available in Australia, and available in New Zealand. I haven't really investigated every single country yet, but those 4 countries where it is available, where these savings are available for all of you, because we have an international business, let's get recruiting in those areas so that we can offer that to these people. So Jean, I'm going to just hand it over to you, and you can sort of help people, you know, follow along.
So this is an example for Canada. These are Canadian numbers. And it's just, it'll give you an idea, and it's not all of the packages. There are other packages there, and some have combinations of products. So you can go and look under products in your look under products, kits, and then 500-point packages. And so here's some of the ones that are available. So the one with the best value, I think, on it is the foot treatment. And you get 42 tubes for the foot treatment, and which I have here. But anyway, well, I think most of you know what that is.
Yes, and they call it Soul Solution, right?
Soul Solutions in other markets, our Canadian government decided that they didn't like that name, so we're foot treatment. Same product. And so you can buy that, the 42 tubes of it, for $766, and you get 500 points. So for those of you that understand the marketing plan, that's significant because it helps in the roadmap into making more money. But you can also sell that kit at retail. There's a retail price on it. And so we were looking at it kind of both ways. So you could go out to a salon and you could sell that kit at retail, and you would make a retail profit of $192. It's a good deal for them, and it's a bonus for you, and you get a sharing bonus. So you'd earn an extra $200 and some on that. At retail, the 42 of them, if you sold them all at retail, is like $1,600. And so that's, if you bought the kit at wholesale, that's a profit of over $800. That's amazing. And at wholesale, there's still a profit of over 600. Or if you bought the kit backwards, if you bought it, I've got those numbers backwards. If you bought it at wholesale, it's 800. If you bought it at retail, it's 600 and some. But then you can even look at the individual. If you just, or you can see it at the very bottom of the screen. It's ending up costing you like $18 for a foot treatment.
Sorry, Jean.
If you bought it at wholesale. And so that's where we started looking at other things, because some people are going to either themselves or go together with someone else and buy these 42, and you've got gifts at 18, or you've got, you know, you can sell them and you can make a profit of 20 some bucks. So you've got lots of opportunity with things like that, and it's quite exciting.
Yeah, I'm really excited actually when you think about what season we're entering into with our Christmas selling season. And to be able to purchase a product like this that has an actual, a visible difference when you use it the very first time, then it's easily marketable, but it's also a beautiful gift. So if you're looking for a Christmas gift under $20, like imagine you've got 42 gifts right there. And so, as Jean said, you could go with, with another person, and or 2 or 3 of you to go together and order the kit, and then divide up the costs, and off you go and either sell it or give it as gifts. And so, get together with someone in your downline, and then the volume is there, the 500 points is there, but you've got all these other ways of doing, earning the income. The dramatic effects is also the brand new dramatic effects that is age locked now, is showing some amazing results also. And you can get 17 of those, and that has the biggest earnings per item, like $26 per item. If you purchase the kit, you can earn $26 if you purchase it at wholesale. If you sell it at retail, that's pretty good return for sure. And if you're talking to people in salons, they want that kind of return. They want at least, that percentage back in their pockets. So what I'm suggesting is, and our body butter, you all know how amazing that is also. And again, you're going to be earning, a pretty nice return on that. So, I mean, obviously going to a salon and selling them a package of these products isn't where it ends, right? We then need to help them market it. So in a salon, people are in a lot better position to market a product like this because they've got a captured audience sitting in their chairs, and they can talk to them about the exceptional difference when you're using these products. So I think that teaching people to promote these products, we've got some amazing before and after pictures on all of them. And I mean, I kind of like the Lume Essentials salon package also, that you actually get 3 Lumi spas in it. And so Gina and I were talking about that today. So it's at the same price at $766. You get the 3 Lumi spas, you get 4 different cleansing lotions that go with the Lumi spa. So you get an extra one. Plus you get some of our Nutricentials, our Celtrex Ultras in there, a couple of other things. So if you sell those 3 Lumi spas, you've made your $700 and some odd back if you sell them at retail. And the Lumi spa is another easy product to promote and to teach people about. So I don't know, I think this is pretty exciting if you take a look at some of these numbers. And salons are one thing, just selling individually yourselves, sharing to purchase as gifts, sharing to sell yourself. So you don't want to invest the whole $766. You can share with people in your downline, and also then you can get the sharing bonus involved, and all sorts of exciting things. Anything else do you want me to leave this up?
People are sharing on social media. People are sharing on social media. They may move that many products. Mm-hmm. And so it's kind of interesting, all of the different options. And anyone that takes personal appointments can display the products. And I remember Daisy was always the person that said, put a bow on it, and it creates
that's right.
People start thinking about what they could do with it, right?
Mm-hmm,
and I know the salon package, the foot salon, whatever it's called, it's got a variety of things in it, but people are actually doing their pedicure mineral bath. They're using the loofah, always use some sort of a loofah. They're using the foot treatment, and then they can sell that as a package at retail. And so just if you start, your creative mind starts going, we have so much potential.
Yeah, I don't remember a time ever where I could, as a brand affiliate, be able to purchase products, 500 points worth of product, and actually save $325 over what I would normally, at wholesale. over what I would normally pay at wholesale for those products individually. $325. Like, I really thought I made an error. And so I'm just pretty excited about all of this for you guys. And I don't know if you, we're going to be talking about it a lot. We're going to add the Excel spreadsheet to Gotta Love Support. Maybe we'll even talk about some different posts that you can do. You know, I have a salon that I worked with a while ago in the UK, and they actually took a before and after shot. It was using, I think it was using facelift or something. It was that long ago. Showing before and after, and then they had it put up on a, you know, those sponge boards or those plastic boards, and they just glued it on and put it up in their salon, and people would be sitting there saying, how did that lady get rid of all those wrinkles? And they were selling the facelift on their shelves. Like a before and after of the foot treatment, like some of those pictures are really shocking, you know, about cracked and dry feet and what it can do. The exciting thing about this is that these products actually do what we say they're going to do. And so we know nobody's going to be disappointed if they purchase a Lumi Spa. We know nobody's going to be disappointed if they purchase this, our Soul Solution. So it gives people, it gives you a great start for new people coming into the business. It gives you a happy, people that want to sell it, just, you know, earning the retail bonus. Those people are happy because they're not going to have disappointed people. It's like our toothpaste. People aren't disappointed. If they, you know, dry brush with it, they actually do get whiter teeth. Anyway, I don't know. Anything else, Jean, that you wanted to share today? We just wanted to share our excitement with you guys, and so that you understand that we have another whole way of earning more money.
Nope. Packages, they're quite exciting.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. So anybody wants to know more information about this, then reach out to us. You know, send us a private message or just post underneath this video when we put it up, saying that you want to know more. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So thanks, Jean, for your mathematical genius, but also for your lovely smile and your great attitude and working on Labor Day.
Working on Labor Day, having a good time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
It's raining anyway.
It is raining, yeah. And really, how far can we go in this pandemic anyway? Okay, guys, I'm going to end this, and hopefully I can figure out how to get the video and share it. Thanks, Jean.
Okay.
Bye.